Bringing a baby into the world is a beautiful experience, but the recovery period afterward is just as important. Postpartum care focuses on helping new moms heal and adjust to life with a newborn. Here is a list of essential items that help you heal faster while caring for your newborn. Use ice packs or cooling pads to provide soothing relief to the perineal area after childbirth. They help reduce pain and inflammation, making postpartum recovery more comfortable. Wear inside the pad for up to 20 minutes to relieve pain, and dispose of them properly after one use. Pain relief medicine is essential in postpartum care to ease discomfort. It helps new mothers rest and recover more comfortably during the healing process. Menstrual pads with maximum absorbency are essential in postpartum care to absorb heavy bleeding. They help keep new mothers comfortable and hygienic during the recovery period. Breast pumps are important for breastfeeding. They help moms express milk to feed their baby later. Using a breast pump can also reduce discomfort and keep milk supply steady. You must have a postpartum support belt to help support your abdomen and lower back after childbirth. It provides gentle compression that reduces discomfort and improves posture. Wearing it can speed up recovery and make healing more comfortable. A nursing pillow is a soft cushion that helps hold your baby comfortably while breastfeeding. It makes feeding easier by supporting your arms, neck, and back. Pacifiers are small soothing devices that babies suck on to help calm and comfort themselves. In postpartum care, pacifiers can help soothe a fussy baby, support sleep, and provide comfort between feedings. Perineal spray is used after childbirth to cool and soothe the sore area. It helps reduce discomfort or making postpartum healing more comfortable. Witch hazel is commonly used in postpartum care to reduce swelling and soothe irritation in the perineal area after childbirth. To make soothing pads, first apply aloe vera gel evenly on a pad. Then add witch hazel and a few drops of lavender essential oil, spreading them evenly. Wrap the pad and place it in the refrigerator to chill. These witch hazel pads provide cooling relief and help speed up postpartum healing. You must have super soft, breathable underwear for postpartum care. It keeps you comfortable and helps prevent irritation while your body heals. Postpartum recovery takes time, patience, and the right support. With these essentials, you will heal better, bond with your baby, and adjust to your new routine comfortably. Listen to your body and take the rest you need. Do not hesitate to ask your pediatrician for help. You deserve to heal with care and confidence.